Are you throwing away money on condiments when you have all the ingredients right there in your home? Do you realize how easy it is to make it? And how cheap, especially if you've gotten tons of tomato or spaghetti sauce from the food bank sitting in your pantry. Why spend good money on ketchup when you run out? If you're on a low or a fixed income and you go through ketchup as fast as I do, it can really add up. So it's nice when you have the things on hand to just make it yourself. I'll show you just how easy it is. Hi, my name is Carol and the name of my channel is Broke Bountifully Blessed. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make ketchup from a can of spaghetti sauce that you don't really like. If you're on a lower fixed income, you sure don't want to be spending money on ketchup when all the ingredients that you need are right there in your pantry. And stay until the end so you can see how I make crispy seasoned potato wedges in the air fryer for just a few pennies. I ran out of ketchup and I won't be ordering groceries for at least another week. But I have tons of this tomato sauce or pasta sauce in my pantry. So I thought, the other people have made homemade ketchup. Maybe I can too. So let's give it a try. I went to look online and I couldn't find anything that told me how to use pasta sauce as ketchup. I did find information on how to make ketchup from spaghetti paste or from tomato paste. And I found information on how to make spaghetti sauce into tomato paste. So I'm going to make a real watery ketchup, and then I'm going to boil it down to make it thicker till it's the right consistency. So I'm going to start by dumping the pasta sauce into my pan. I have 1/3 cup vinegar and I have 1/4 cup honey. I'm trying to avoid sugar, and I don't think honey's all that much better, but I'm going to use honey instead of sugar today. And I had a little bit shy of 1/4 cup, so we'll put that in. And then we are going to add, now did it say 1/4 teaspoon or half? I should check. I'm going to come back, find the recipe. So let's start with 1/4 teaspoon, and I can always add to it. We're going to sprinkle that in because that kind of mixes it up. And another 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Then we'll give it a mix. It's kind of dragging through that honey. And we'll turn this on low and start heating it up to thicken it. And we'll be back. Now stay close by and keep stirring it often so that it doesn't burn to the bottom. Even though I have this pan on low, it's getting pretty warm. We'll be back. Well, as it heats up, the steam rises, which is the excess water leaving my ketchup. I'll keep stirring it and stay close so that it doesn't burn to the bottom. And once it's thick enough, I'm going to let it cool. Periodically, I'm going to check with a spoon for the thickness. Now that is way too runny for ketchup, so I'm going to keep this simmering. I've got it on low, so I'm not too worried about it scorching, but I'm staying close by. Well, it's getting thicker. Not quite thick enough, though. What I could have done is added some flour to it, but I didn't. And I just noticed, I read the ingredients, which I should have done to begin with, but the pasta sauce has high fructose corn syrup in it. And I added honey besides. I could have done without it. It's really sweet. Next time I would leave the honey out, or else I'll use a plain spaghetti sauce with no sugar. This looks about good enough. Now I've got this container that I used from my old spaghetti, so I'm going to make some. I'm going to put it in here, but I don't want it to melt it, so I'm going to let it sit and cool for a while. Maybe it'll even thicken up some more. Well, next time I make it, I'm going to use this spaghetti sauce because although there's sugar, there's only 7 grams and there's no high fructose corn syrup. So this would be a better choice. But for now, I'm going to use this. Okay, well, my ketchup is cool. So I'm going to pour it in the jar. It's nice and thick. I could have added more onions to this. I've had ketchup with onions in it in the past and it was really good. It didn't make a whole lot, but I had no ketchup before. And I've got enough ketchup. This is only going to last a short time. They said about 2 weeks. I checked several recipes and they all said about 2 weeks. So I've got 2 weeks to use this up. That should be plenty. There, we can store it upside down in the refrigerator and that's just perfect as far as I'm concerned. This didn't make a whole lot, so it really wouldn't pay to buy tomato sauce. It's just that I happen to be out of it right now, and I'm not going to be ordering groceries for another week. So I got from the food bank. A lot of times I'll cut them smaller, but I'm going to just cut them into 4 wedges. I soaked them in vinegar, then I ran them under cold water and gave them a good scrub so they're nice and clean. But, see, that's a little dirty down there. Okay, now I'm going to put them here, skin side down. Oh, I don't think they're all going to fit. Well, I've got another potato left for another day. And I think about a capful of oil should be enough. We don't need them to be too greasy. Well, maybe we'll use 2 capfuls of oil. We'll give them a little salt, some pepper, garlic powder, some onion powder, and we'll put the lid on and give them a good shake. Now I'm going to microwave them for about 6 minutes so they get nice and soft. They're fairly soft. So now I'm going to air fry them to get them crispy. I can only fit 1.5 potato in the air fryer. So I'm going to put these on high for a couple of minutes. I think about 15 minutes will do it. I'll be back. Now I saved these little condiment containers for when I'm going to have something to dip at home. That had honey mustard sauce in it from Wendy's. I'm going to add some ketchup. And I'll be back when they cool down. Well, it's cooler. Let's try the ketchup. So let's see, is it any good? It's warm. Yeah, that tastes like ketchup. It doesn't taste sweeter now that I've got it with the potato. Potatoes aren't as crunchy as I'd like them, but they are salty. Nicely seasoned. I like them. Easy peasy. Give them a try.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.